When your YouTube shorts get 0 views or barely a few hundred, the first thing that comes to your mind is, maybe my video isn't good enough. But here's the truth. Most times it's not your video that's the problem. It's the way you upload your shorts. If you upload the wrong way, YouTube algorithm simply won't push your video to the shorts feed, no matter how great it is. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to upload shorts the right way. From the best method to upload, to hashtags, descriptions, tags, and even the perfect upload time that boosts your reach. Let's get started. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, like, and share the video. You can upload shorts through the YouTube mobile app, Chrome browser, or YouTube Studio. But here's something most people don't realize. If you're like me and prefer uploading from Chrome browser in desktop mode, yeah, it's faster and a bit more flexible. Just know one thing, you can't set a custom thumbnail or add a trending sound there. That's why I always finish the setup using the YouTube mobile app and YouTube Studio. Now, here's where most people slip. They hit that plus button and upload right away. Please don't do that. Before you upload from your phone, head over to the Play Store and check if your YouTube app and YouTube Studio need an update. If there's an update, install it first. It might sound like a tiny step, but trust me, this one thing can make or break how your shorts show up and perform. Always double check before uploading. All right, now open your YouTube app, tap the plus or create button, and select Upload Video. Choose your file, pick your video, and go to Playlist. Create a playlist named Shorts and add your video to it. This helps YouTube categorize your content the right way. Next, under Altered Content, select No. This section is for videos that use AI, digital twins, or deepfakes of famous people like Elon Musk. If your content falls into that type, you can choose Yes. Now go to License, select Creative Commons. This gives permission for others to reuse your video in part or whole. And here's the trick. If their video goes viral, it pushes yours too. YouTube loves content that's already performing well. But don't worry, I'll explain this in detail in my next video. Then head over to Category and choose the right one for your content. These small details help YouTube understand your videos and who they're made for. So don't rush this part. Once that's done, click Next. If you have another video ready, add it too. When people start watching your videos back to back, the algorithm begins to favor your channel. Now, it's time to set your thumbnail. Open the same video inside the YouTube mobile app. Tap the little pencil icon at the top left corner. Here's a quick tip. Most successful creators use the most eye-catching moment from their short as the thumbnail. Why? Because it instantly hooks attention and drives clicks. But what if your video doesn't really have that kind of moment? Don't worry. Just add a strong, attention-grabbing image or a cool frame at the end of your video, about 0.3 seconds long. When you upload, simply pick that frame as your thumbnail. It's a small hack that makes a big difference. Now let's talk about titles. Short titles work best. Clean, punchy, and relevant. Start your title with 2 strong keywords related to your content. For example, if your video is about iPhone 17 features, write iPhone 17 hidden tricks. Why? Because when viewers scroll through YouTube, they mostly notice the first 2 words of your title. If those 2 words catch their attention, they'll click. Pro tip, write those first 2 keywords in capital letters to make them pop. You can also add a small emoji at the end, but make sure it fits your topic. For example, phone hack that blew my mind. iPhone 17 hidden tricks, and great. Let's add a hashtag in your title. Just one, hashtag shorts. That's it. Avoid loading too many hashtags. YouTube might flag it as spam. Once your title is ready, don't hit publish yet. Under visibility, keep it unlisted for now and click upload shorts. Now let's move to the description. Most people think nobody reads the description on shorts, but the algorithm does. A good description helps your video rank higher in search results. When you upload is complete, open YouTube Studio, find your unlisted video, tap on it, then hit the pencil icon and choose Add Description. Start with one short sentence that explains what your video is about. Example, iPhone 17 has a secret feature Apple didn't tell you about, and it changes everything. Then add 5 to 6 keywords that relate to your topic. You can find them by searching on YouTube or using tools like vidIQ. Then separate each keyword with a comma. After that, add 4 to 5 hashtags. Start with hashtag shorts, hashtag viral shorts. Then add 2 to 3 hashtags that fit your video topic. Now tap more options and add a few tags. Keep shorts and viral shorts as your main ones, and then a few related to your niche or video topic. Also, add your channel name in the tag section. Then, if you want to make your shorts look more engaging, uncheck the box that shows like counts. It keeps people from judging your video too soon. In the remix option, enable both video and audio remixing. If your sound or clip goes viral, others can use it, and that helps your growth. Finally, go back to visibility, set it to public, and click save. Now the big question, when is the best time to upload shorts? Research shows that uploading at unusual hours, like around 1 AM, can actually boost reach because there's less competition and YouTube pushes your content globally. But generally, Friday evenings through Sunday afternoons work best. People are relaxed, scrolling, and ready to engage. I started this new channel to share everything I've learned from 5 years on YouTube. Let's hit 100,000 together in 3 months. Next tutorial's gonna be a hit.